self-watering plant that doubles as an ambient light source. Smart Teapot adjusts the temperature. A fountain pen that floats in midair. Portable touchscreen that supports multiple functions. A unique smartwatch with magnetically attached wireless earbuds. In this video, we're going to explore 30 gadgets that are truly at another level, offering unique features and capabilities that are sure to impress. Cutting-edge earbuds. Imagine earbuds that offer an AI-powered listening experience, real-time translation in 40 languages, and even fitness tracking. These earbuds redefine what's possible. Smart plant and ambient light. A self-watering plant that doubles as an ambient light source with customizable lighting options. It's not just a plant, it's a piece of art. Solar-powered security camera. Tired of charging security cameras? This one is solar charged and can differentiate between humans and pets, eliminating false alarms. Smart Teapot. Brewing the perfect cup of tea has never been easier. This smart teapot adjusts the temperature and brewing time based on your mood and energy level. Adjustable smart desk. Whether you're a gamer or a DIY enthusiast, this desk has you covered. It's height adjustable, features integrated RGB lights, and keeps your workspace organized. Wearable seat. Introducing the world's first wearable seat. These bionic legs transform into a chair whenever you need to sit, providing comfort and relief from back pain. Bowyo book light. A must-have for avid readers. This book light's unique arc shape illuminates both pages without causing glare or shadows. Adjust the brightness to your liking. Palmo Speaker. This portable speaker folds to the size of a phone and expands for a superior sound experience. You can even pair two for stereo sound. Magnetic fountain pen. A fountain pen that floats in midair at a 60-degree angle thanks to a magnetic field. It's a blend of art and functionality. Go Kit Emergency Kit. A fire-resistant and waterproof emergency kit with compartments for food, water, survival tools, and safety supplies. Be prepared for any situation. Jetson, one personal aircraft. Live your Star Wars dreams with this personal aircraft that takes off and lands like a drone. No pilot's license required. Fly Nova Flying Toy. A fun flying toy with motion sensors for unique flight paths and tricks. Perfect for indoor entertainment. Smart Key Organizer. This device not only organizes your keys, but also opens your car, locates your keys or phone, and even includes a flashlight and panic button. Fire Kit Portable Fireplace. Replace your standard light bulb with this 11 times brighter Nebo light that's rotatable and provides excellent lighting for any workspace. Mosquito Repellent. A double-sided repellent that offers 360-degree protection for up to 7 hours. Say goodbye to pesky mosquitoes. Underwater Swimmer's Bag. Designed for swimmers, this bag minimizes resistance and keeps your gear organized while diving up to 20 feet underwater. Reactor Power Bank. A replica of Tony Stark's Reactor with a built-in Torque driver, LED light, and a battery that lasts for about 900 screws. Portable touch screen. A portable touch screen that supports multiple functions, perfect for those who enjoy fidget toys or need extra device interaction. Tritium Tube Fidget Toy. A high-quality fidget toy made from stainless steel, zirconium, or titanium, offering satisfying clicks and a sleek design. Miniature Valuables Container. A compact capsule for small valuables that can be added to your keychain, ensuring your essentials stay secure and easily accessible. Huawei Watch Buds. a unique smartwatch with magnetically attached wireless earbuds, offering premium design and active noise cancellation. Star Trek Communicator, an authentic communicator replica that allows you to make calls, complete with premium materials and vibrant lights and sounds. Ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo, designed with comfort and productivity in mind. This keyboard and mouse combo features an ergonomic design to reduce strain on your wrists and hands. It's perfect for long hours of work or gaming. Virtual reality headset with haptic feedback. Step into a new world with a virtual reality headset that not only provides immersive visuals, but also incorporates haptic feedback technology. Feel the virtual world with your senses. Foldable electric bike. Ideal for urban commuters, this foldable electric bike offers convenience and eco-friendliness. It can be easily folded and carried onto public transportation or stored in tight spaces. Powered robot vacuum cleaner. This robot vacuum cleaner uses artificial intelligence to map your home and clean efficiently. It can adapt to different floor types and even schedule cleanings when you're not home. Smart mirror. A mirror that's more than just a reflection. This smart mirror displays your daily schedule, weather, news, and more while you get ready in the morning. Wireless charging mousepad. Say goodbye to tangled cords on your desk. This mousepad doubles as a wireless charger for your smartphone, making it easy to keep your devices charged and your workspace tidy. Biometric door lock. Upgrade your home security with a biometric door lock that uses fingerprint recognition. No need for keys or codes. Your fingerprint is the key. Foldable solar panel charger. Stay powered up on your outdoor adventures with a foldable solar panel charger. It harnesses the sun's energy to charge your devices, making it a must-have for camping and hiking trips. These 30 gadgets represent the cutting edge of technology and innovation. From smart earbuds and teapots to wearable seats and personal aircraft, these devices cater to a wide range of interests and needs.